How to make lasagna at home. Ingredients: 1 garlic bulb, minced. 2 pieces onions, minced. 1 green bell pepper. 1 red bell pepper. 220 grams mushroom, sliced. 2 tablespoons cooking oil with butter. Mushroom. Cooking oil. Garlic. Onions. Red and green bell pepper. 500 grams ground beef. One piece beef nor cube. 1/4 of a teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon oregano powder. Mushroom.
Spaghetti sauce.
One and a half tablespoons sugar. Set aside. How to make a bechamel sauce. 430 grams melt cheese Danes, grated. 200 grams mozzarella cheese, grated. 3 cans Angel milk evap. Butter. One Nestle cream. 1 1/4 cup melt cheese. Cornstarch mixed with water, 5 tablespoons. Set aside. Boil the noodles for 12 minutes. Add oil to the water so they won't stick together.
500 grams, al dente pasta.
Ready to make 19 tubs. For a fully melted cheese, reheat for 3 to 5 minutes. Ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.